How to log in into your Bank of America account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Bank of America account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up Bank of America. You can search for it on your web browser. Any web browser should be fine. And after you search for it, you can head over to its official website. For that, you can directly head over to bankofamerica.com as well. So after you're on the website, you will see an option or an area where you can actually sign in, and it's that simple. So there you'll need to type in your user ID. So type in your user ID. Now after you type in your user ID, type in your password. After you type in your password, you can actually tap on the login button to log in into your account. You can even tap on this save user ID option to make your login a lot easier for the next time. And after you do that, you can tap on login. In case you've forgotten your ID or password, there's also an option to help you reset it. If you don't have an account, there's also an option to open an account. So yeah, just tap on the login button to log in after you type in your user ID and password, and then you'll be logged in into your Bank of America account. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.